Amaya, smile.
Maya.
Dara.
Picture time.
We are doing an
Unboxing.
what we are doing?
Labubu.
So we have
two of the boxes.
Yay.
One is a standing set and another is a sitting one.
yay.
And
So
today we're going to be shutting our eyes to see which one we have.
are you guys excited?
Yes. Yes.
Yay.
So we can do every video.
Yay! So guys, today we have two whole set of Labubu, and so one is have a sit and the other one is the Macaron set. So we are so excited.
Macaron?
Yeah, this is the Macarons. So we got total 12 Labubus here, and can't tell you how excited we are. So we got them from in Toronto. You can get them from Pop Mart store, which is located in Pacific Mall. So you can go there and find it if you're looking for the authentic Labubus. So guys, which one you want to open first? Do you want the Macarons first?
I think we want the macarons.
You want the Macarons first? You both want the Macarons first?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see the Macarons. So let's open. How do we open it? So there is a...
We have scissors and we can open the plastic with the scissors.
Okay, then do that.
I'll get you some scissors.
So now we're going to open this first, okay? Open this.
Okay.
So...
Then mine, we can do it from here.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this. Careful.
We are going to see the macaron box.
So now we are going to open this and see. Yeah.
This one.
Woo! Look at
I
that.
think we should pick this one.
Pick this one? Okay.
Close our eyes.
Close eyes. We're picking this one.
First, we have to open the bag and then close our eyes.
Okay. Hoo-hoo.
Daddy, you too. Let's open it. Open it. Open it.
Okay, so we are so excited to see our first ever.
Open it. Bag.
Yay!
I've been waiting for this time all day.
Yay! So now we are going to see what is in here. Let's do that.
When we open the box, before we open the package, we have to close our eyes.
Okay. So first we do this. Let's do it all together. All together. Come on. Hold my hand. And then pull.
Pull.
Pull. Yay!
Now this one bag. Let's take it out.
Let's take it out. What it could be?
We have to close our
What
eyes.
color? Okay.
Close our eyes.
Close our eyes. And we are going to
See? Open it.
open. We are going to open.
Ready?
Open your eye. So this is called the grapefruit.
Yeah, grapefruit.
Let me check. What is called?
Michael.
Oh, this is called the green grape.
Michael.
So let's see. Grape. We got the green grape. Amaya, show it there. Show it there. Yay! Labubu, Daki.
This is our first, final, coolest box.
Wow. How does it look like? How does
waiting-
she look like?
I've been waiting
Is she
for
cute?
one more time.
Do you like her? Do you like the green? It's
Yeah.
so cute.
My turn.
Oh, it's so cute. Cute? Yeah. Okay.
So we got this one.
Yeah. So show here which one we got.
Green grape is over here.
Okay. So showing you how it looks like. So the green grape is exactly like Arash. Arash is wearing green and he got a green grape. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yay!
I hope I get the pink one. It's really cool.
Before we try the other macaron set, we are going to see what we have in Have a Set and just open one because want to see all version of it. Yeah, so exciting.
I'm going to open mine.
Now open, Karo. Open! Yay! So we have now this and we're going to see the first one.
Are you going to open mine?
Yeah, so now we're going to see here. Let's check. Ooh.
Yay!
Okay, yay! So
I got this one.
okay, now we
New Year.
now this is Have a Set one and we are going to see. Do you want to open it?
Yeah.
Hold
We have
both
to
of you.
close eyes.
Ooh. So okay, close your eyes, kids. Close
I
it.
love Labubu.
Close with Labubu. Woo! The favorite. This is the purple one.
Yeah. Daddy. Daddy.
So we got Zizi. They keep,
Zizi.
let me show. So this is Zizi, the cutest of them all in the sitting one. So from the Have a Seat. If you ask me which one is my favorite, that would be Zizi. And the first one we have here is Zizi. Yay! Both of them look so cute. So how was the unboxing? Yay! How was the unboxing? Yeah! Now we have 5 more to unbox from the sitting, and then also we have 5 more here from the macaron set, and we are going to unbox them another day because the excitement is real and we are going to be excited the whole time playing with these 2 guys, and the other one we are seeing next time. So keep an eye. Next video you will see unboxing of the rest. Yes. So we are going to end.
Really good.
Yeah. So we are going to end this video here today, and you want to say goodbye to everyone?
Bye.
Bye. Have a good night.